Welcome back to another edition of Juicing with Jay. This is just a quick video to let you guys know that all is well. I know I haven't been dropping videos as frequently as I was, but you know, life happens. Just been a little bit busy. But anyway, I took a trip to my old neighborhood when I was a kid. You know, took Sierra with me so she could see some of the places where I grew up when I was coming up. And the neighborhood has been 1000% gentrified. It was kind of heartbreaking to see. Anyway, long story short, there was a great thing that came out of me and Sierra, you know, touring that side of town. I grew up in Mid-City, which is the middle of the city, basically, of Los Angeles. So the Adams district. So anyway, as we were leaving the neighborhood, I saw an old shack that I used to get, like, you know, my hamburgers and fries and things of that nature. It's a complicated story. So, you know, it was a place that really brought back a lot of nostalgia. You know, it was a place that I used to go, you know, grab a hamburger and fries right up the street from Dorsey High School or whatever. So I said to Sierra, oh, that's the place where Daddy used to go get some food. So she was like, oh, can we go there? So anyway, we stopped. It was now something else, but you know, the silver lining was it was a black-owned business. And as I took a step back, I noticed that there were a whole bunch of names of people who were victims of police brutality. So I just started filming the building because the art was unique. It was a fish shack, and the artwork was what kind of like really grabbed my eye. So I just started paying attention to the artwork. I had never seen that shack, or I had never seen the remodeled version of the place that I used to eat. So, you know, to see the artwork, you know, and of course, if you've seen my travel videos, I truly do love artwork, so I try to capture that. So I started capturing the building. You know, I never really, I didn't think of it as to try to create a YouTube video, but I was just like, you know what, let me capture this moment. So I walked around the building, I captured the moment, and you know, we ordered the food, which I was telling Sierra about the fries. So we ordered the food. I got, you know, just a lunch special, you know, just to try it out. And it was on point. When we opened up the food, it was a lot of fries. It was two nice big pieces of red snapper. It had two slices of wheat bread. We had it looked like some type of special made tartar sauce with some dill in it. Of course, the hot sauce, some pickles, pepperoncinis. It was a nice spread. It was well put together. And when we tasted the flavor of the food, it was like, wowzers! Oh my God! I literally had to pull over on the side of the road to call the restaurant, or the little shack. I had to call and just give my compliments to the chef. I mean, the customer service was great. It's a small area. It's you can't dine in. You order at the window, and that's it. You pick up your food and you go. But I truly was amazed by the quality and the taste of the food, even the presentation of everything. And I had to just pull over, call the place, and give my compliments to the chef right away. I had to give them the flowers right here, right now. And now I'm dropping this YouTube video. So anyway, shouts out to this Mel'S fish place. Super duper excellent food. This is my independent profile. This is my independent business profile, which I had done in the past, but now I guess I'm back on it. This is my first one for 2022. I was so amazed with this place. You know the motto, each one teach one. It was definitely an experience today, driving through the city with my daughter. And I'll see you guys on the next video. All right, peace and blessings. All right.